In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Jotform. We'll walk through how to open your appointment request form in Jotform's form builder, find the Add Collaborators option, and copy the collaboration link so your team can edit with you in real time. I'll add clarity and a few pro tips along the way so you can share confidently and avoid common pitfalls. Start by opening your appointment request form inside the Jotform form builder. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the drag and drop canvas with your fields on the left and a live preview area in the center. If Jotform asks you to sign in, go ahead. This is normal and ensures you're working with the correct permissions. Before you share access, double check you're on the correct form version. A quick glance at the title and a short preview is a smart safety check, especially if you manage multiple forms with similar names. Next, go to Add Collaborators. In the top right corner of the builder, look for the button or link labeled Add Collaborators. It often appears alongside your avatar or a share icon. Clicking this opens a small panel that explains how collaboration works. This feature lets teammates make changes at the same time, and you'll typically see their presence indicated within the builder while they edit. It's designed for live teamwork, so it's perfect for refining fields, adjusting layout, or aligning on wording without emailing revisions back and forth. Now click on Copy Link. When you do, Jotform copies the collaboration URL to your clipboard and usually confirms that it's copied. Anyone with this link can join the builder and help edit, so treat it like a powerful key. Share it only with people you trust. Collaborator edits are saved automatically, and you'll see updates appear in real time. A few helpful tips before you distribute the link. Test it in a private or incognito window to confirm it opens the correct form. Consider duplicating your form before a major collaboration session if you want a safe sandbox for experimentation. If something goes sideways, Jotform's revision history lets you roll back to a previous version, which is a great safety net. And to keep things tidy, agree on editing roles up front: who handles structure, who writes labels, and who checks logic, so you avoid overwriting each other's work. That's it. Open the form in the builder, go to Add Collaborators, then click Copy Link. You're ready to collaborate smoothly and securely on your Jotform appointment request form.